listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay.
So here's this nuts and bolts kit I was talking about that I bought. So here's the, is that too much light? Here's the, oh, maybe it's not enough. Here's the bolt that was on, not the actual bolt that I had to remove. Let's see here. This isn't the one that I have to pound that out of the socket that I was using. But this is a 13 millimeter bolt. 4 of them that hold the wheel bearing on. And what I did was I just matched them up to one of the nuts, ran it down, up and down, and yeah, that's it. So then I matched the nut with this case. There's like a little place you can put I just put like a heavy duty black twist tie in there, just to, like, in case the latches ever die, you don't have a catastrophe on your hands. Because yeah, this is like almost 60 bucks for all of this, and it's all yellow, hot dipped zinc. Each bolt has a lock washer and a flat washer captive. You can't take them off. And the nuts to match. Here are all of the sizes. Lupanter 705 pieces, nut and bolt assortment, including washers and lock washers. It goes from M610, you get 20 of those, M6 14, 20, M6 30, M18, okay, up to M12, M1230, M1250, and it's a nice assortment. I mean, you know, I've had to use a few of them, you know. And here's the ones that hold the bearing on. You need them a little bit longer? Well, here they are too. I mean, you know, it's not nuts and bolts. Well, boltsandnuts.com. If you ever heard about that, you know, the common thing is nutsandbolts.com. Another company, I guess, had that domain or whatever. So the company that YouTubers like Matt over at Diesel Creek, he has that huge thing up on the wall, boltsandnuts.com, and they got like barcodes, and you just, oh yeah, this, you know, you order whatever. And if you got a business like that, yeah, you need them, you know. But like me, I don't need all of that. So this is just fine for me, you know. I remember like when I was a little kid, my grandpa, he'd have all the baby food jars and little jars, the lids nailed to the boards and the whole works, you know. It seems so quaint nowadays, but hey, that's how the country was built. I mean, you know, little mom and pop hardware places. There was a few of them around here, and places like Lowe's and Home Depot just ran them out of business. And then now the internet is running places like Hillman and Lowe's out. So what are you gonna do? Well, alrighty.
Hasta la vista.